What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video, we're gonna show this tour of a place called Flybys. This is where we came to Wyoming for. Here's the guy. His name is Jordan. This is a huge barbecue pit we're holding. If you saw like the accident there when I first introduced it. Anyways, let's take a look. So, see, the company is called Flybys. We meet the need. This is Logan. This is Logan, his son. One of my homies.
What's up, bro?
So, it's kind of a mess now, but it will be unpacked soon.
Well, yeah, we're just loaded in for now so we can get it all situated before we open up.
Yeah.
Perhaps sometime middle of May.
So, where do you think the first place you want to
To the kitchen or the dish room, either one.
Either one?
Alright, do you know a little bit about the kitchen, Logan?
Here,
Is that the equipment yet? After this all set
We have the lights, is this,
check it out, look.
a painting?
Check it out. Got a cool little fryer.
Yeah, this is a foil. What's a liquid on it? I would not trust that.
Oh, that is, oil.
Oil. I would not trust that.
Wait, no, that's fryer oil. Like,
Some pretty
cooking
old.
oil.
No, I mean like that's some pretty old fryer oil.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh. So here's a fridge. Yeah, let's check the fridge. This is a fridge oil.
If anything, we would just clean the oil out, you know what I mean?
Yeah, good.
Drain it out.
Oh, let's check the fridge. Yeah. Oh, also, guys, and Logan's also very good illusionist for cards.
Yeah, I'm gonna be making a TikTok page sometime later on in the year, and my name is Swell Elf, and I'm gonna be doing card tricks. I'm a magician.
Swell Elf is what you're gonna call it.
Yeah, Swell Elf.
They already know your actual name's Logan.
Yeah. Well, anyways, this is the walk-in fridge. It's not turned on right now, but this is a.
It's a tiny bit cold here,
A
though.
little bit. Yeah. You know,
It's just.
I guess that's how you know it
I
works.
think this is where. Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, this is actually how it works.
Well, if you turn it down to like something like 40, but it feels colder than 80 in here. Smells like inside a camper van or something like that. Oh, actually, the tires are blue now.
I don't think we can reach the walk-in freezer right now. But at least you got to see the fridge. Anyways, let's take a look at the
the
diner.
walk-in freezer's over there, I guess. We never saw it.
Want to check out the diner?
So here's the giant suitcase.
Before we look at that, look, this is the disher station where I'm going to be doing dishes, whatnot.
Okay, yeah, it definitely needs to be fixed.
This is the sink, don't worry. We're going to put the legs on it. We're going to get everything situated before we open.
Yeah.
So you know that's obvious.
Obvious.
Obviously.
Yeah, look. Imagine. Restaurant now open and all this
Dishes,
mess.
right? Yeah, right.
Imagine.
Let's check the dining room out now. You got all the tables. Check it out. We're gonna have a restaurant bar, not like selling drinks or anything, but a bar that people can sit at, kind of like gyms in San Antonio. If you ever heard of gyms, and yeah, cool. We got those chairs over there for bar chairs and stuff like that. Got these chairs right here for bar
It's hard to
chairs.
see outside.
Yeah, it's hard to see
So
outside.
here are the chairs. Let's look at some of the signs they've got. You have way more signs though, right? Like we're gonna.
Yeah, of course we're gonna
What
have way
color
more
do you
signs.
think you're gonna paint this barbecue?
Maybe like a rustic red would be cool, kind of cool.
Rustic red. It's very rusty though.
No, like a rustic red color, like I think they know what I'm talking about.
I don't. Does the seat feel comfortable?
We got our cool tables. Nice feeling. It's called
Very smooth wood.
yes, no. It's called on the tables that go on the table. I know what it's called. Just can't think of that at the moment.
So what would y'all do if there were any like parties in here?
Parties?
Yeah.
Well, if there was like a party, like a huge party, we'd probably put some of the tables together and stuff like that for people to come sit at
How
for
much
the
would-
birthday.
How much would it cost for that reservation exactly?
That's a good question. I don't know yet.
Okay, guess we'll figure it out later. There's a giant chalkboard. I guess you can write like kitty events there or
I don't know
something.
what to do with that chalkboard yet, actually.
Yeah, you can write down events. Some people will wait drawing on. There's this like California bear that says welcome.
Yeah, welcome. Well, it's not
There's
really
a
a
cat-
California bear. It's just a bear that we have.
Yeah, I guess just a bear. It's Catfish Friday, y'all. Comes with catfish,
Coleslaw, fries, hush push peas. But we're still thinking if we should do catfish up here because it's not real big up here, you know. But it was in Texas. We're still trying to think.
Yeah, they were previously in Texas.
Yeah, we were on the outskirts of San Antonio, south of San Antonio, and we were doing it in a little town
Where
called
was it?
Divine.
Yeah, Divine. Seems like something different. You gotta know, another sign that didn't even notice that says Dodge.
I have my deck of cards on me. I can show you a YouTube video what I'm gonna be doing.
Okay, so this is the restroom.
Yep, it's nice. Men, women bathroom. That's the employees only bathroom.
Hold up. Here, Wi-Fi. Why would they make a bathroom for employees only?
Yeah, employees only bathroom.
You need a sign that says employees must wash hands.
Hand washing station. Good stuff.
So what's the difference?
What's the difference?
Oh, this one looks a lot nicer, and the other one just looks like a dishwasher sink.
Yeah, but it's for
Gone
washing
out with
hands,
you.
of course.
No. No.
Yeah. All right.
Somebody put this on upside down. No, now it says no.
That's kind of funny. Hey, I'm gonna lock this door, okay?
Okay. Okay, let's go in the yellow.
All right.
So here's the outside. So y'all be enjoying here on those mountains,
Yeah, there's
With
a
some-
buffalo.
There's buffalo cows.
There's a buffalo.
Oh, guys, they're buffalo.
Or, yeah, they might be cows. I think they're buffalo, though. Come on.
Okay.
That's the front of the restaurant.
Yeah, here's the front. Outside. Ground may have, I guess, cow pee and cow poo.
What?
Oh, you said the ground may have cow pee and cow poo.
No, the ground isn't. Did you see those cows over there?
Yeah.
No, that's what it was. It's not over here, though. That's mud. Because, well, it snowed and
This is
it
some
melted.
slippery ice. Look. Here. Okay, guys, punch with. Please, one.
Get it, bud?
What? Hey, was there anything
side
else,
door locked?
Logan?
No, I think that's it for right now.
Okay. The only, yeah, I don't know. Do you think you can kind of crack open the fucking freezer?
It's basically, it looks the same as the other one.
Yeah, it's basically the same as
Did
a
you turn off the
full
light in the other one, Logan?
Yeah.
Thanks. So, there's some iced tea package over there.
You might want to edit it, James, all the parts where it's, where you're walking around and, you know what I mean?
I'm still recording though. No reason. Goodbye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.